Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shaping and degreasing. This changes how chrome adheres. File to the shape you want, then use a 180-240 grit buffer to remove surface shine so the powder grabs. Once done, clean with 70% isopropyl and push back cuticles for a tidy edge. Apply a very thin, even base coat, avoid pooling at cuticles, and cure under LED for 30 to 60 seconds or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. Make sure the surface is tack-free before proceeding. Now you apply the unicorn chrome itself, and technique matters. Use a soft applicator or silicone tool and pat the powder into the nail. Patting builds mirror effect, while aggressive rubbing removes fine shimmer. Work one finger at a time so the base stays optimal, and apply in thin layers if you want stronger holographic depth. Layering intensifies color without texture. Once the powder looks even, apply a no-wipe top coat to lock the effect in place, and cure fully so the finish stays smooth. To finish, you add a second sealed top coat to protect the chrome and increase durability. Cure for 60 to 120 seconds depending on your lamp. Then clean around edges with a lint-free brush dipped in 70% isopropyl, and restore skin with cuticle oil for hydration. If you encounter patchy spots, don't panic. Lightly rebuff only the tiny area, remove dust, and reapply chrome in a thin layer. Then reseal. This fixes adhesion issues without ruining the entire nail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.